Hello guys, how you guys are doing? Hopefully you guys are doing great. In this video, we are going to go over another KillerCoda lab for the CKA. Like I said previously, I'm trying to get for my CKA because why not? I'm trying to learn Kubernetes, right? So in this one, it looks like we're going to be working with deployment secrets and distribute credentials securely. So what do they want us to do? The web deployment is running with sensitive database environment variables directly embedded in the deployment YAML. To enhance security and protect the sensitive data, perform the following steps. So create a Kubernetes secret named dbSecret with the below sensitive database environment variables. So here's a key value, key value, key value. Update the web deployment to load the sensitive database environment variables from the newly created dbSecret. Awesome, that should be fun. So great. Let me go ahead and go. Let's go ahead and go to secret. Let's go ahead and open this. See what we are going to be working with. So how to create secrets. I mean, you can do it from a Docker, or you can do it from a YAML file, but I think I want to go with this right here. All right, so this is the one that we're going to be using. All right, so let me go ahead and just say Vim secrets. Yeah, let's just call it Vim secret. And here we are just going to kubectl create secret. So the name over here, we need to add our name. The name that they want us to call is dbSecret. Okay, insert. So no, go back. Undo. No, we want to create a secret, right? And then the Docker registry, it's not a Docker registry that we want to do. We are going to be doing, I think it's generic that is called. Let's go ahead and search right here. Right, create secret, generic, right here. That's what we're looking for. Yep, generic. Yep. So it's not going to be a Docker registry. It's going to be a generic. And now is what we want to give it a name, right? Let me go ahead and make sure this is good. So the name is going to be secret db or dbSecret. So let's go ahead and remove this. And dbSecret. All right. So now the first one over here. So it's going to be a host. So the first value over here, the first key, is going to be dbHost, and this one is going to be MySQL. All right. And then what do we got for the other one? dbUser. So this key is going to be dbUser. The value is going to be root, right? Right now, just run it with root. Really secure. And the third key is going to be password, and the password is dbPassword, really secure as well. Why not? And then for the last one, we are not going to be using that. So let's go ahead and delete it. So I want to save this file. So I'm going to cat secret. So now I'm going to copy this file and I'm going to run it. Oh, wait. I got to remove that last one right here. This guy right here, we don't need it. dbHost. dbHost. Let's take a look at this. What did I do? Oh, I think I did I need to do from literal. Okay, let's go ahead and go back over here. Create secret. We can always hit the help because why not? Let's want to do generic help. And I think this is the one that we got to do. So from literal. Okay. Yeah, that's what we need to do. Okay, so let's go and do vim the secret file again. I just want to edit this guy right here. So this is how it needs to be. From literal db host. Oopsie, I thought I was in insert mode. There we go, db host. db user and db password. That's how it needs to be. And let's delete that guy because we don't need it. Now we can do the cat secret again. Here we go. So I'm just going to copy this command, clear, and I'm going to run it. It has been created. So if you do get secret, you can see it over here, db secret. So looking good, guys. So now we need to update the web deployment, the web deployment. So get deployment. You can see it over here, one ready. So web deployment, right? If you want to get the description of it, you can see that we have some environment over here. Looking okay. All right. So let's go ahead and edit that deployment so we can add that secret. So edit deployment, web deployment or web app deployment. So we need to do some work over here, guys. We need to replace this environment with actually with the secret, right? We got to tell it to actually use the secret. So how are we going to do this? So if we go to secret to deployment, see if we can find deployment in here. I don't see anything over here. So can we go to deployment? Maybe they have on the deployment, maybe they have a way to add the secret. Really, I don't think they do. Let's take a look. Replica sets. They do not. So secret, and I think it's key something. Cannot remember. Secret, or is it secret key ref? I think it's this guy. Is this one mentioned over here? Okay, yeah, receive your credentials securely. I think this might be it. See if we can search for deployment over here. Here's how to add it to a pod. don't show you how to add it to a deployment. Well, it's basically should be basically the same, right? Where we have the image on top and all the cool stuff. Okay. So this one needs to be like this. Oops, not select all. Let's go ahead and copy all of this. And what I'm going to be doing is that they're going to go under containers. And we just want to put, so the name needs to be on the C. Okay. You just got to tap this a couple times. Okay. Image. And where this environment goes. Right there. And then, all right. So we can do this, guys. Right. Value from. Right there. And this secret guy, I think it goes under the L. Yes, and then name and key under C. Like this. Okay. So now we want to delete all of this over here. And so the name, we're just gonna add it over here. Right, the name. And the image, what's the image? NGINX latest. And so we have the name, we have the image. So now we can delete this. Oops. And we can leave the ports and all the good stuff because we still need that, right? Everything seems to be good to go. So now over here, name. So for the name, you can give it any name. I'm going to give it the same name as this, because this is only matter locally, right? But then over here is where you need to actually put the name, the secret name, right? The name of that secret that you created, which is DB secret, right? There we go. And now over here, we need to put the key that we want to pull. And one of the keys that we created, if we go to describe and secrets, DB secret. One of them was the host. So we want to put the host here. Host, just like this, right? DB host. The other one is going to be the user and then the password. But we need to just say over here, name, DB secret. And then the key is going to be DB user. Now the name again, from where we want to pull from, DB secret. And then the key again is going to be, I believe, what is it? Wait. Key. What am I doing? So DB, I need to make sure that this is not here, or I'm going to get an error. So we have the key, name, DB user, but this one is not DB user. This one is going to be what? DB password. There we go. It's the tab over here. There we go. So DB password. So we got from DB secret, right? So we are calling this environment DB secret, right? So then value from a secret key reference, we want to pull from that DB secret that we created, that object that we created. I want to pull the DB host, and from that DB secret, I want to put the DB user, and from that DB secret, I want to put the DB password. So I think this should be good to go. go ahead and save it. Boom, it has been saved. So it worked, because sometimes if you have a syntax error or something like that, we will run into an issue. But let's do nk get pods. You can see all the pods running, so everything should be good. That took 15 minutes for what, 5? That's not bad. Let's go ahead and check, and there we go, validation successful. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video, hit the like button, hit the love button. Just thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Like always, bye bye.